integrated markdown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a bullet point, 2 bullet points right here in Microsoft Word. As you can see, this is exactly what we're talking about, a bullet point in Microsoft Word. The first thing that we wanted to do is to bring up a Microsoft Word document. Now we're going to Microsoft Word document, you're going to come all the way up here to insert. You're going to come right at table. You're going to select the 2 column right here. Right now, as shooting now, I'm going to write something in it. Just like that. I'm going to press it down, arrow. And I'm going to actually type something inside of it. So as soon as I finish, then you see exactly how it works here. Good. Now I have it right here. Now I want to put in the bullets. So we're going to click here, highlight it. When I highlight it, we're going to click right here on home. When you click on home, you notice you see above paragraph right here. You're going to click right and select the bullet. That's the same. You notice the bullet is right here, but you want to remove this table around it. What you want to do is to come right here and click on table design. Now when you finish, click on table design. You want to come right inside the table style. You're going to come right at the point here below. You're going to click on it. You're going to come right down here and say clear. When you click on clear, this is exactly what happened. So this is how you actually add bullet points in 2 columns right here in our Microsoft Word document. So hope you have learned something from this particular video. So remember to share, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.